Yo, what's up, Mixon and Tesla owners? If you drive a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y or breathe air, which let's be real, all of us do for the most part, this is going to be a super easy upgrade to your vehicle that's going to keep your car smelling fresher, keep the air cleaner, and protect your lungs from all the nastiness out there. And if you're like me and you live in LA, you know there's a cocktail full of nasty junk floating in the air right now. So you definitely need to watch this. Links are all going to be in the description. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I do a lot of videos like this. It's going to talk about car installs and also 2 fitness videos. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Subscribe and hit the like button if this video helps you out, or share it with somebody who has a Tesla who needs to get an upgrade because their car stink. Now, don't get me wrong, Teslas are amazing, but they're not immune to bad air. Over time, dust, pollen, and even exhaust fumes can sneak into your cabin. And if you live in a city like LA where the pollution is part of the package, your carbon air filters are working overtime. The problem is most people don't change their air filters until their car is smelling funky or it smells like they're breathing in the freeway every time they drive into their vehicle. Tesla owners, you need to change your air filters every 2 years. That's what Tesla recommends. So if you haven't done it yet, now is the time. So I have here a solution, which is Snowoow, we're gonna go with Snowoow. Wow, Snowoow. Anyway, this is a 2-pack HEPA N98 activated carbon filter. These bad boys are designed to trap in dust, pollen, smoke, and even those tiny invisible particles that mess with the air quality in your vehicle. Plus, the activated carbon layer helps eliminate odors and harmful gases, perfect for the LA air. I just swapped mine and the difference is immediate. No more weird smells, fresher air, and it feels better knowing my lungs aren't taking up all the junk that's outside. The install is super easy. If you have a screwdriver, you can do this. The first thing you're gonna do is take off the plugs under the glove compartment. Unplug all the plugs, pull down the panel, and then remove the right plug. And just pop off the cover near the passenger footwell. Now this particular filter comes with a T25 screw that you're gonna utilize to take off that lone screw. Pull that off and then remove the cover from it. You're gonna see 2 tabs. Pull out the old filter. For the second one, lift up and then pull out. Giggity. And let me tell you, it's probably gonna be nasty by now. And slide in the new Snowoow filters. You're pretty much done in 15 minutes. It's one of those small changes that make a huge difference in your day-to-day activities, especially if you're in LA. So yeah, if it's been a minute since you swapped out your air filter or you just want fresher air, make sure you copy one of these. I'm going to leave a link in the description for options for your vehicle, so you don't have to just take this one. This is not a sponsored video. This is just something you need to do. Mixonites, take care of your Tesla, take care of your lungs, and thank me later. And I will catch you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications, and hit the like button and let me know if you changed out your air filter or when is the last time you changed out your filter, if you even done that. Comment down below and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.